How to fix Android phone speaker sound too low. This tutorial shows you how to increase speaker volume and resolve low sound issues. First, press the volume up button on the side of your device to check current volume level. After that, swipe down from the top to open quick settings and make sure volume is at maximum. From there, open the Settings app on your Android device. At this point, tap on Sounds and Vibration to access sound settings. In the next step, tap on Volume and drag all sliders to the right for maximum volume. Following this, check if Do Not Disturb mode is turned on and disable it if active. Once done, go to Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned off or disconnect any connected devices. From here, physically clean your speaker grills using a soft brush to remove dust and debris. At this stage, restart your phone by holding the power button and selecting Restart. After this, go to Settings, tap Apps, find your media apps, and clear their cache. Once completed, check for software updates and settings under Software Update and install any available updates. Finally, test your speaker with different apps like YouTube, Music Player, and ringtones to verify the fix. And that's it. If this speaker fix guide helped you restore your Android sound, give it a like. Subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.